Today I'm using our Rebelle to turn this 2-day-old bun into soft, bouncy curls.
Sensei!
I'm a big believer in not detangling with a comb, especially not at first. You have fingers, which are your natural comb. Fingers are actually dope because unlike a comb, which a comb, if it goes through a knot in your hair, it's gonna rip out a chunk of your hair. Okay, so the cool thing about using your fingers is that you feel a knot. Guess what? You feel a knot, you can pull it apart and start untangling it without ripping out entire sections. I'm now at a point where I can run all my fingers through my hair. So now is the time where I can use the wide tooth comb. Wide tooth. Do not use regular comb unless you're trying to be bald headed. If you're trying to be bald headed, hey, will do you. But if you're not, if you're trying to grow your hair, wide tooth comb. Fingers first, then a wide tooth comb.
Normally I leave the leave-in conditioner, but today we're deep conditioning.
Time to rinse it. And now. I left plenty of water. I might actually add a little more water. Okay, I'm looking kind of crazy, but that's okay. You're gonna look crazy too when you do this, so leave it. And right now it looks white, but as it dries, it won't be. It's almost like I'm detangling again, but I'm just distributing the product. So then what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put this in a towel so it could absorb any extra product. Alright. I am gonna add a little castor oil to the tips of my hair. It's a must. Always put castor oil in the tips of your hair, especially after you wash it. Especially, that's when it counts the most, because when you wash it, especially if you're washing it with warm water, you're opening up the follicles to your hair. Your hair's nice and warm when you get out the shower. You put some castor oil, it actually seals your ends and stops them from breaking. The tips though, a lot of people use it in their scalps, but I really don't understand why. Maybe it's to help with the dryness, but that's not gonna help your hair grow or retain length. Because really, there is nothing that's gonna help your hair grow faster. What you're looking for is something to help you retain your length. You need to keep your length. A lot of people, because you don't take care of your tips, every time you comb your hair, you do your hair, you see these little pieces of hair everywhere, all over. Why? Your hair is breaking off. It can grow as much as it wants, but if it keeps cutting off at the ends, you're always gonna be bald headed. Man, I think that's pretty saturated.
I've used our Rebelle for the past 4 years. How far are you on your natural hair journey? Please let me know, and feel free to share any cool hair tips you've learned along the way in the comments at the bottom of the page.